Hey guys, it's Kosisa here. On today's tutorial, I'll be learning how to draft a basic sleeve. If it's something you're willing to learn, stay tuned while we jump into the video. So to begin, I'll be coming down from the edge of my paper by 1 inch. This is going to serve as a margin and where all our vertical measurements will be coming from. Then I'll rule a straight line to join those 2 points together. The next thing I'm going to impute is the sleeve length. The sleeve length for this pattern I'm drafting is 25. I'm going to come down from that margin down to 25 and rule a straight line. I'm using this particular measurement because I'm making a long sleeve. If you want to make a short sleeve, you should use a short length. So our next measurement will be imputing our pattern is our cap height, and the formula to get our cap height is our bust divided by 12 plus 1 inch. In this case, my bust in this pattern I'm working with is 37. I will divide it by 12 and add 1 inch to it. The measurement is equals to 4.08, approximately 4.1. This result, I'll be imputing this result from the margin I marked up down to 4.1 and square across. This serves as our cap height. This measurement is taken from the sleeve head. The margin up is the sleeve head. The next measurement we're going to impute is our arm curve. To get our arm curve is our bust divided by 6 plus 1.5 inches. So our bust is 37. Divide that by 6 plus 1.5. The result is 7.66, approximately 7.7. On our cap height line, we're going to horizontally impute the measurements from the edge of our paper. Horizontally, we'll impute 7.7 on this measurement. We'll impute this measurement on all the lines, that is the sleeve head, the cap height line, and the desired length of our sleeve. So once we are done marking these 3 points on our paper, we're going to fold it into those 3 points we mark. We have to fold it, but before I do that, let me cut out the excess from the pattern so that I can just work with my sleeve length only. So I'll fold it on these 3 points that I marked because I'm trying to get the front and the back. This midpoint that I've created is going to serve as a midpoint, so which will serve as the front and the back. So right now, from that edge, that folded part, I'll draw a straight line, then divide this straight line into 2 equal halves. My straight line is 9 inches. If I divide the 2 points, it's 4.5. That is the result. So 9 divided by 2, that's 4.5. On this 4.5 line, that's the midpoint, I will go down by 0.5 inch. Then I'll mark with a curve from the sleeve head to the 0.5 down. With a curve, I'll mark these 2 points together. See the way I'm turning my curve for us to get the perfect armhole curve on our sleeve. Then connect it back to the edge of our paper. Then for our round sleeve, you make sure you measure your clients you're working with. If it's a long sleeve, make sure it's able to pass through the thumb. Then whatever you get, you divide the measurement by 2. In this case it's 10. I'll divide it by 2, that's 5. So this measurement, I'm going to connect it back to the cap height. So this is our long sleeve. If it's a short sleeve, you know that it will be a different length entirely. So right now I'm going to be cutting it through. So I'm going to label the front and the back. The up front is always lower by 0.5. So to do that, I'll find that midpoint I marked before, then come down by another 0.5, then use my curve to connect it, because normally the front is always lower than the back. Even on our pattern, when we go in for the back by 0.5, we go in on the armhole for the front by 0.75. So for it to balance on our pattern, on our bodies, we have to go in by 0.5. So this is the result of our sleeve, our basic sleeve. So guys, that's the end of our tutorial for today. I hope you are able to learn one or two. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.